Hello, welcome back to BTHQ Banter week 49. It's gone 5. It's Friday. It's day 1 of BTHQ Banter. I have literally spent the entire day staring at a computer screen. The internet has been well and truly against me today. First thing this morning I was due to do a Zoom class with my lovely crochet ladies, and Zoom just decided it was not going to play ball. Nothing to do with the internet, it just wasn't playing ball. So we've had to reschedule that. Then I found out that all of the email automated sequences that I'd put in place for Black Friday had all gone wrong, and they weren't firing out all the emails they should be firing out. So I've spent the day trying to sort that out. And yeah, I think just the world is all online today. Lots of kids are off school, loads of people are working from home, Black Friday's gone nuts, and the internet's just gone bleh. So I'm about to go home, so I've got nothing to show you, and I'm actually not here tomorrow, so there won't be any video here tomorrow either. But I am taking home with me a box of goodies, because tonight I am going live in the lovely Lisa Johnson's private Facebook group on their Christmas market night. So I'm going to be doing that, so I'm taking home some goodies to show people and hopefully sell lots of lovely things. So that's me. I'll see you again on Monday, all being well. Bye. Good morning, hello, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Monday. To think about that one. Catherine's behind me packaging all your orders. Thank you for all your orders over Black Friday weekend. It's been really, really busy. Mum is here untangling my crochet mess from this weekend's class that I taught via Zoom, which went really well. I taught 9 lovely ladies to make a crocheted shawl, and it was absolutely superb. Thankfully, unlike Friday, the internet gods were on our side. So today my mission is to get Unit 2, which has been used as a general dumping ground while we've been closed for the last 4 weeks, back to scrupulously clean and empty of everything, so we can start teaching classes in it again as of Friday. We're going to be reopening on Wednesday for retail, but I haven't got any pupils on Wednesday. Thought I'd just leave it at people popping in and saying hello and buying their things. And then Friday I've got sewers back in the day, and in the evening we've got the first of our Christmas wreath workshops. So yes, Mum, are you ready?
Well, I will be ready, yes.
When she's detangled me. We might or we might not. See you later. I don't think I've had anything more to show you today. What I do have though is a massive bag of parcels to take to the delivery centre. Thank you so much to everybody who shopped with us through Black Friday. It was really great, and thank you for supporting us. Yeah, other than that, Unit 2 is looking nice and shiny. So you can see behind me, look, nice clear tables, all ready. Oh, okay, that one's got some worky bits on it, but it's all nice and clear and ready. This is ready for the lovely Sam to come and sew on Friday, and then on Friday night we will have our wreath making workshop in here, and again on Saturday. So Wednesday, what am I doing Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday I'll be back in. Again, probably not much to share with you, but I will be here. And the nice thing on Wednesday is that we can open the doors and let you back in to the shop, which will be really super. So I will see you then. Good morning, it is Wednesday and we are open again for business. Thank you very much. The click and collect area has gone. You can now step inside my lovely shop and you can peruse the shelves, purchase whatever you should so wish. You can go through to the studio area if you want to, which is all lovely and clean and tidy and ready to welcome my pupils back on Friday. I'm going to have a relatively quiet day today, just processing orders, getting things ready. Obviously I'm expecting lots of people to pop in to pick up their orders, and also just to have the opportunity to do a little bit of shopping. So it would be nice to see everybody. We've also got our virtual craft club happening this morning, so I'll get Zoom fired up on the computer, let them chat away to themselves while I serve people that come in and out. So it's all very exciting. In totally non-exciting news, but you probably should know, I've managed to completely and utterly screw the overlocker. I was making this jumper dress, which is the Billy dress by Tilly and the Buttons, and it's a very thick sweatshirt fabric with a fleecy back, and the overlocker absolutely hated it. It just wanted to eat it to shreds, and it was a nightmare. And I don't know whether the overlocker was unhappy before I fed it the fabric, or feeding it the fabric made it unhappy, but either way it's now making a really nasty clicking noise, eating everything in sight, and really not happy. So I've brought it in today. It's being picked up by DPD at lunchtime, taken back to Janome for them to service it for me and send it back. I could have had a new one because that's our rental machine, but unfortunately they just don't have any, so I'm going to have to be without it for a little while. So I'm very well, I have everything crossed that they're going to be able to service it quickly and get it back to me, because I'd like to do some sewing over the Christmas period while I'm at home, and I've taken that overlocker home to work with because I'm not sewing here at the moment, so we shall see. Anyway, I may or may not pop on later, and I will see you soon. The DPD man has been, but not to pick up my overlocker, but to drop off a machine. I had ordered 4 of these for customers. Only 2 have arrived, but we'll deal with that. I think the others are on their way, and I've just messaged the owner of this lovely one, and she's actually on her way now to pick it up and unbox it. Another week of BTHQ Banter is over and done with. I didn't really do very much this afternoon. I cut out lots of fat quarters from our scrap fabric stash, put those on sale, and went through all of my sewing patterns and sorted out a mass destash. So I am having a live destash on Facebook on our Craft Classes at Beautiful Things page at 7 PM UK time on Friday. So if you are watching this before then and you want to join me, there are over 37, I can't even get it, look, big box, 37 lovely sewing patterns, including Tilly and the Buttons, Sew Over It, lots of other different brands, and they will all be available on the live destash. So you'll need to join me at 7 o'clock on Friday for that. So if you're watching this after that time, I'm sorry, it's too late. Go down into the description to find our Facebook page. It's Craft Classes at Beautiful Things. Hopefully I'll see some of you there. Tomorrow, I have made the decision I'm going to go to the wholesalers. I know I don't need more fabric. I'm definitely not buying any more Christmas fabrics because our Christmas making is nearly over and we've got plenty here. But I am going to look at some sweatshirt fabrics and some nice warm knits because I think people might want to start making sort of the new Tilly and the Buttons Billy sweatshirt, which I was wearing today, or various other kind of cozy things for the winter. So I'm going to go and see what they've got. So when I come back on Friday, I should have something interesting to share with you next week because I will have been fabric shopping. Other than that, I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching as always, and thank you for supporting Beautiful Things. Keep that love coming, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do. I am so nearly at 10,000 subscribers. I would love to get there by the end of the year. It was my goal for last year and I didn't do it, so I would love to do it for this year. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button now, and I will see you next week. Bye!